Ever wanted to share files between your Samsung S26, S26 Ultra or Plus, and iPhone effortlessly? No cables, no extra apps, just a few taps, and your photos, videos, or documents move instantly. Here's the easiest way to make your Samsung work with Airdrop. First, go to Settings on your Samsung S26 and tap Connected Devices. From there, open Quick Share and scroll down to turn on Share with Apple Devices. This step is super important. Now, if you want to receive a file from an iPhone, pull down the Quick panel on your S26. If you don't see Quick Share there, tap the pen icon, search for it, and add it. Tap Quick Share to turn on Receive Mode. On the iPhone, pick the file, select Airdrop, and you should see your Samsung pop up. Just tap it. Accept the prompt on your S26 and the file will transfer instantly. To send a file from your Samsung to an iPhone, pick the photos or videos you want to share. Tap the Share button, and your iPhone should appear under Quick Share. Make sure Airdrop is on the iPhone and set to Everyone. Tap the iPhone, then accept the transfer on their device, and your file moves fast and smooth. And that's it. Thanks for watching till the end.